If you move to Business Central Online, you get a Power BI license included so that you can run Power BI within Business Central.
The only other real question I have is reporting wise. I see that Business Central is pretty robust with reporting, but I've been taking a look at Power BI. Does Business Central integrate with Power BI or no?
Yep, both on-premise and Business Central Online, both work with Power BI. Here's the difference. If you move to Business Central Online, you get a Power BI license included so that you can run Power BI within Business Central. But if you're running Business Central on-premise, if you want to use the Power BI functionality, you have to have Power BI Pro licenses.
Oh,
so
gotcha.
You're paying $10 per user per month that you want to make that available to.
Oh, not bad.
So it's still not hugely
not too bad.
expensive,
Right.
But it is a difference.